In this video, I'll tell you how you can install applications on Redmi phone. There are two ways by which you can install applications on Redmi phone. First of all, navigate to your Play Store application, and right here you can see search icon. Tap on that and tap on this search bar. And from here search for the application you want to download. Let's say I want to download Instagram. Simply search for it. Tap on this search icon, and right here you can see Instagram application. Tap on that and tap on install. And right here you can see that the application is now downloading. It will take few minutes or few seconds and it will be downloaded. Once the application is downloaded, simply go back to your home screen and open your app drawer. And right here I can see Instagram application is right here. If you want to download any other application, you can go back to your Play Store application and tap on this search icon, and from here you can search for any application and download it like this. Let's say I want to download this application, simply tap on install and the downloading will be begin. However, there is one more method by which you can install application. Simply go back to your home screen and right here you can see app mall. Tap on that and from here you can search for any application. Let's say I want to download Among Us and tap on search. And right here you can see Among Us application is right here. Simply tap on that and tap on install, and your installation has been begun. However, I will personally recommend you to download applications from Play Store, as Play Store get the update quickly. So that's how you can easily install application on your Redmi phone. So that's it for this video. If this video helped, subscribe.